Hi everyone, myself K. Manohar, Assistant Professor, Department of Safety and Fire Engineering, KSR College of Engineering. Today see our topic, Total Quality Management. Subtopic, Evaluation and History of Quality Management. Introduction. Quality management ensure product or service meet standards. Focus on customer satisfaction and continuous improvement. Third one, over time with the industry growth. Quality practice. Quality ensured by skilled workers. Inspection done by work. No standard systems. Industrial revaluation. 1900 to 1920. First one, mass production standard. Next one, need for inspection system. Quality check after production. Introduction of supervisors. Inspection era. 1920 to 1940. Separate inspection department. Second one, defect detect after production. Focus on identifying facility product. Fourth one, reverse approach. Statistical quality control. 1940 to 1960. Use of statistical method. Control chart involved. Focus on process control. Reduce defects during control. Quality assurance. 1960 to 1800. Prevent defects before occur. Systematic approach. Documentation and products. Focus on process implementation. Total quality management. 1980 to 2000. Company wide responsibility. Customer focused approach. Continuous improvement. Employee involvement. Modern quality management. 2000 ISO standard implementation, Six Sigma and lean methods, technology based quality control, focus on sustainability. Key tools and technology. Six Sigma, second one lean manufacturing, third one benchmark, fourth one total quality management. Benefits of quality management. Improved product quality, customer satisfaction, reduced cost, increased efficiency. Thank you.